Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the content channels, we have got articles. Articles published across websites, the blogs, the social media and the article directories. What we need to do, how we need to do, what are the do's and don'ts and what makes articles click. These are the points that we'll discuss today. What is article marketing? Article marketing is an age-old, tried, tested content marketing technique. 10 years back, 12 years back, between 2004, 2006, 2007, article marketing, publishing articles across various article directories is a huge phenomena. People were rushing to article directories to write article directories and give a resource box. In the authors box we used to write so and so person is an expert in so and so area, and used to give an anchor tag with links to their websites and blogs. Articles about 500-600 words of articles, and they were called as expert authors by those article directories. That was long ago. 10 years back, 15 years back. Now it no longer works. These actually no longer work and they have no value. The article directories have lost their charm, lost their value. Articles create awareness. Article directories were extensively used. Articles create awareness. Articles published across blogs drive traffic. The blogs still work. Guest blogging, if you write serious about article writing, serious about providing a solution to a problem through your articles, they still work. But article directories, they do not work with the kind of update that Google has come up with. Article directories or article factories, they were also called, they do not work anymore and they have no value at all. Now, what are the do's and don'ts that you have to do, you can do, you must do as far as article writing or publishing articles is concerned? Articles offering value still work. The articles that you write have to be beneficial, valuable and original, and these articles they still work. But do not go to this article directories. Post on articles on your blogs and do guest blogging on various other platforms, but not those article directories. Blog articles they still work, but articles that you write have to be at least 2000 to 2500 words. The long the articles, the better, and the article should encompass, and they should come up with a good images, high quality images, perhaps infographics that matter a lot. But articles between 2000 to 2500 words, they matter, and they have to, please remember, they have to provide a solution to a problem, a conclusive solution to a problem. Identify the problem that you are talking about, offer a solution and tell them how it works, provide images, use keywords, have subheadings, short paragraphs, but long articles. They work and they still work, and they create awareness and they help you driving traffic. What don't work is actually avoid article directories. They no longer work. Forget about the article directories. Don't spam. Don't go on spamming multiple places, posting the same article all over again. Avoid 500 word articles. That was long ago. Write just a 500 word article, that would suffice. They used to call as an expert. Write 2-3 articles, you were considered an expert. Just 500 word articles. That no longer works. What works is more than 2500 words, 2000 words. That is actually work. Some people have gone to the extent of writing 4000, 5000 words articles, and they are driving traffic because there is value in that. There is a solution in that, and these are original articles, and these are the do's and don'ts you can think of implementing as far as your article writing content marketing strategy is concerned. What works actually in the article marketing? Articles that are unique and original. We have discussed this long before, many times. Articles that are valuable, that are original, that are unique, they will work. Articles that are long and beneficial. Long and beneficial articles still work. Articles published on blogs and social media, they work. avoid article directories. That identifies a problem and offers a solution. If you are an expert in a particular niche industry or a sector, you know particular technology and you want to write, identify the problem. What is the problem that the user may be looking for? Identify the problem, do the research and provide a solution in that particular article, and they work. Articles that don't spam the directories, don't go to the directories, they will never work. Don't spam those directories that are meant to address issues. People who are coming to various search engines, the social media, on multiple platforms, they have a problem and they are looking for a solution. And if you have the solution to that particular problem, post your articles, create an awareness, you will become an expert, you will become a key influencer, and there your word will matter, and you can drive traffic, you can make conversions. And this is what actually works as far as article writing or publishing articles as far as content marketing is concerned. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is article marketing do's and don'ts, and article marketing what works. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.